Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the specs of the Ulefone Armor Mini 20 Pro with that of the Armor Mini 20T Pro to point out the differences and similarities between both 5G mini rugged devices. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go guys, as you can see both devices are very similar, with the only main difference being in the camera department. One has a night vision, which is the Armor 20 Pro, and the other has a thermal sensor, which is the Armor Mini 20T Pro. So that's it for the video. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.